Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to fix the blue screen, black screen, or if your Android device is not turning on. There's a way about how to fix it with your PC. So if you want to do that, you need to open your PC and just download DroidKit. You can find out the link just here on my video description below, and after that you're gonna check for system fix, then you go click on start and time to connect our Android device with USB cable to our PC. So let me do it, and after that I will show you the next process, what you're gonna do to fix it. Here you can see our Android device is ready. We're gonna choose the model of our Android device, then we go click on next. If you know the PDF code of your Android device, you can just type here to download directly from the tool. If you don't know this code, you can just type any number by yourself, then it's going to give you a link to download it manually by yourself. I already did that, so it's over here. I'm just going to click on add, so I'm going to choose the firmware I just downloaded from that website, then I'm going to click on next. But before this, it's going to ask me to take my phone in download mode. How you can do this: keep press the power, volume down and middle button of your Android device at the same time, so until your phone going to be turned off. Now you can leave it, and you can see we're gonna click on volume up button to get our Android device in downloading mode. So you're gonna click on next. Now it's fixing the system issues. We're gonna wait a few seconds and it's going to be done. Then we're gonna check our Android device. Here you can see system fixed successfully, and we're gonna close it application or PC. Now I'm waiting for Android device going to be turned on. You can see we fixed the blue screen of our Android device problem. So that's all about how to fix it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget hit the like button. See you until next quick videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.